What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Moving the Mind with Money. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about domain flipping. So you've all heard about website flipping. But before we get into that, the only reason I'm making this video is because I got a lot of requests on Instagram. Yesterday I dropped the 7 side hustles. So now I'm explaining all of them, and I'm also going to give you a tutorial and actually show you how to make money, but that's going to be a separate video. So yeah, today is domain flipping, and as I've said, you've all heard about the website flipping. So website flipping is basically like domain flipping, except website flipping is you go and you buy a website, and then you edit the website, you make it better, and then you sell it. See, the only problem with website flipping is you actually need to know how to code. You need someone to do it for you. So you need to know HTML and JavaScript and CSS, and I can continue a lot of these stuff. But here comes the fun part. With domain flipping, you don't need any knowledge except that big brain of yours, So basically what domain flipping is you go to a website like GoDaddy or Namecheap or even Bluehost or domain.com. I can list all of them. I'll also leave a few links down below for you guys if you want to try it out, which gives you a discount on these sites that I just mentioned. So let's say, for example, you go to GoDaddy and you type in, let me check what's on my table. Okay, slingy.com. And then if it's available, let's say you're lucky, no one has registered slingy.com yet, you get it for 4 or 5 USD. Now, slingy.com, maybe someone's starting a Slingy business. So you wait, you go to Flipper, you put it on Flipper, and obviously you have to calculate the worth, and that's a skill you need to master in time. But yeah, let's say you put it there for $50. Okay, cool. Now someone buys slingy.com from you on Flipper. They take their cut. Let's say you pay $40 out. You literally you made 10 times your money in a few minutes. Sometimes it can take longer. But yeah, now you're looking at me and saying, Trax, this is so easy. Why aren't you doing it? Why isn't anyone doing it? So the only problem with this is you really, really, really need to use your brain. I mean, look at insurance. Insurance.com was bought for under $50. It sold for over $1 million. Imagine you get one thing like that and you sell it. You are set for life. So yeah, basically the only problem is it's only .com websites URLs that sell, that makes a lot of money. But there's another problem. You can't go buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then blueresponse.com. No one's gonna buy it. You need a name that someone wants to buy. You need a domain that someone is willing to spend money on. And that's basically how domain flipping works. It's quite an easy way to make money, but as I've said, it takes time to master, and you need a few bucks to invest. I'll say $20 for good domain name, and then from there on you are set. You can just go up from there. So I'll drop a tutorial on this, show you exactly how to make money later today. But yeah, guys, before we go, remember to take the job quiz down in the description. So basically, if you pass the quiz, you are eligible to make $25 to $50 a day by browsing social media. It's like a minute per quiz, so take it. And then also, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and see how I made all my money, there's a free ebook for you. It's called the Affiliate Handbook A to Z. So that's also down in the description. I mean, it's free, guys, so check it out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.